How's it going, guys? Walk here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's product is 2021 Topps Tribute. So Topps has done it again. It increased the price of another product. Topps Tribute. Remember 2 years ago when I started the channel, when I opened the first Tribute hobby box, it was in the 200 range, 250 I believe. That was how much 2019 Tribute cost. So last year it went up to 300, and this year, guess what? It's in the 400 range. So this box cost me about $460, $470. That seems like the trend. So I'm not sure if my channel can keep going like this, if all the price is increasing. I guess I'm gonna start thinking about selling some of my cars now. At any rate, so this year's Tribute, same format as last year, 6 packs, 3 cars per pack, so makes it 18 cars. Got Derek Jeter on the front here. So, all right, let's open it. Okay. All right. Okay, we got, how many packs are we supposed to have? 6 packs. 1, 2, okay, 6 packs. Very good. All right. Let's go with the thinner pack first. Okay. Here is, hopefully this focus for you guys. The information here. Okay. So design is pretty much the same. The glossy design or acetate. I think it's still regular stock, but it just has the acetate finish on the top. So we've got George Brett. And so that's Hall of Famer there. Got an upside down card there. And then the last card is Tony Gwynn. So other so I guess I'm supposed to put this in between cards so that the surface doesn't get scratched. And we got, ooh, wow, Walker Buehler. It's a pink 2 out of 10. Very nice. That's cool. So what do you call this? Certified tribute to Topps 1982 autographed card from 2021 Topps Tribute Baseball. Very nice. As you guys know, I'm a very big Dodgers fan. So this is definitely in my PC. 2 out of 10. Very, very nice. Not sure if this is a case hit or not, but this is a big card. 2 out of 10 pink. I don't think I ever own a pink card like that. Very nice looking card too. I like it very much. Wow, right out of the first pack there, huh? So is it all going down here from this point? Manny Machado. And we got Luis Robert. Too bad it's not the rookie card, but still very nice. Luis Robert. Okay, Machado goes there. All right, and we have another autograph. Keston Hiura, 157 out of 199. So do you get one autograph? Every pack has one autograph. Each pack delivers an on-card. Oh, yep. It's either on-card autograph or a game use memorabilia card. So, all right. So far, we got 2 autographs. 2, not too bad. Hiura is not too bad. Got Trevor Story here. I better put this between the cars so that they don't get scratched. All right. Okay, Trevor Story. And put this here. And the bottom card is Ronald Acuna Jr. Too bad they lost to Phillies tonight. Philly has a very strong lineup this year. So what do we have in the middle card? Oh, we got a game use relic here. Stamp of approval. Javier Baez is 95 out of 150 with a little what do you call that, hologram number and letters. You can look this up online. At the end of this video, I think I'm gonna look it up for you guys and put it on the screen for you guys so you guys know. So it would basically tell you when this little patch was used, like the day and time, or date and place where Javier Baez play or use this. So very nice, very nice. Stamp of approval. Actually, I'm gonna put this right on the side here. Okay. Okay. Next pack. So far, so good. So we got Yu Darvish on the top. Whit Merrifield. These cards are very tricky. I take good care of these cards since they are so expensive these days. Alright, so the next one is the hit, I believe. Alright, Merrifield there. And then we got Michael Conforto, 143 out of 150. Very nice. A triple relic. Very cool. Very cool. I'm gonna run out of stent here. I have another one. Okay. But anyway, let's go for this second to the last pack here. We got Ichiro. Nice. Very nice. I wonder what he's doing these days after his retirement. Did he go back to Japan? I'm not sure. Alright, so last card. Wade Boggs. Another old-time player. And the hit of the pack is, a dual relic. 19 out of 25 of Bo Bichette and Vladdy Jr. Very cool. Very, very cool. Two of my favorite players. Dual relic card. Very cool. Okay, so since I'm gonna retire Luis Robert into the pile here. Put Tim over here. All right, last pack. Jose Altuve. And we have a green one, 50 out of 99, Jacob deGrom. Okay, got a lot of Mets player today, so that's nice. Put this down there. And then the very last card is Luis Garcia, and it's a rookie. Autograph of Luis Garcia, rookie. 128 out of 150. Very nice. From Nationals. Very cool. All right. So overall, I'm extremely happy with this box, actually. This is the biggest hit in 2 out of 10. Pink. I guess this is considered retro. 1982 design. Walker Buehler. Very nice. And then Hiura autograph. A base numbered. A triple relic of Michael Conforto. We got this Javier Baez stamp of approval. And then we got dual relic of Bo Bichette and Vladdy Jr. And lastly, Jacob deGrom, a parallel, base parallel. Luis Garcia, rookie autograph. Very nice. Besides the price point, I'm actually pretty happy with this box. I think it's can't remember what I got last year, but this year's is definitely better than last year's. I think I might need to go back to that video. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about all the cards that I pull. And until next time, have a good one, guys.